So let's talk about security and privacy now. Okay, so we touched on privacy rules in the previous video as part of auto binding, but let's look a bit more closely at privacy. So now, not everyone who uses your application should be able to see everything. Okay, privacy is just it's defined based on different roles or perspectives. So if we have similar in our food ordering application example, the restaurant owner is not supposed to see all users in the system, just the orders. A user can see all restaurants in the system, but not the restaurant owners. Okay, so it depends on what is being looked at, and it depends on who is being looked at and what conditions there are. Okay, any data type can have privacy roles attached to it, and it just defines who can see what. Okay, so privacy rules have a condition, they have permissions, privacy rules or privacy roles. Okay, privacy roles have a condition and permissions, and which are enabled and when the condition is met. Okay, so for example, current user's employee is yes. Okay, so this user is an employee. He can see some extra things. This user's organization is not empty. A restaurant, this user, organization, restaurant, team, whatever. Current user is this user, the person who just did something. This user. Okay, so now who can access and modify what? So in our food delivery ordering example, we have the consumers who buy the food, the restaurants who supply the food, the couriers who go in the middle. So couriers can see the orders, not all the user that made the order and the restaurant. Couriers are not really supposed to see all restaurants, all restaurant owners, all menu items. Well, sort of the menu items they're supposed to see. So consumers can create and view orders, view some restaurants. Couriers can view some order details, the ones that are assigned to them, not all orders. They can view some restaurant details, the one that they're currently processing. A restaurant can view all their orders, not all restaurants, and view their details. Okay. Now let's do a quick live demo and talk a bit more in depth. But at the moment, everything is visible, which is not really that great. Okay, we don't want our users to be visible everywhere. We want our restaurants to be visible to everyone, but not everything. Okay, so if I define a new rule, I say logged in users. So logged in users can see the list of menu items, the name, and the address. Okay, when current user is logged in. Okay, and if I untick this, but everyone else, they cannot see the address, they cannot see the email, they can see the list of menu items, they can see the name. Just as a hypothetical example. In fact, let's reverse this for a bit. Remove the list of menu address. So logged out, everyone else can see the name of the restaurant and the address of the restaurant, but not the menu. And we can hide, log in to sign up or log in to see the menu. Once you log in, you can see the full menu with the price. Okay. Similarly, for example, just hypothetical scenario, we want to show the name of everything, the description of everything, but not the price to everyone. Just hypothetical. Okay. We can show the list of items, but not the price. Okay. So if I now run as, and if I log out, I'm logged out yet. See, so I can't see the price. I can see the name. I can't see the price. So privacy rules can be very granular here. Order, we haven't actually configured multiple user types. Okay. There are multiple ways to do it. It's covered in a later video with the easier way of doing that. But I think this is good enough for now. So we can configure privacy rules from various conditions. We have lots of different knobs, and the run as feature allows us to kind of look at the app from different perspectives and log out and see the app. Can I see something? I can't see something. Okay, good. So that should be good for privacy rules for now. All right. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.